G'day everyone, welcome to the Husky channel. This is my 2010 Holden Commodore. It's a locally made car here in Australia. Holden don't make cars here anymore. I've just taken the cover off it and just giving it a bit of a battery a bit of a pep up by starting it up. So keep the battery charged up. It's a Commodore Omega, as you can see there, and it's LPG, so liquid petroleum gas, which is like barbecue gas, I should say, butane. It's actually got the gas cylinder inside the tank, but it's dual fuel as well, so it runs on petrol, or if you're in America, it runs on gasoline. And yeah, it's not a bad looking car. It's in good nick because I don't drive it. I've had it for about 4 or 5 years, but pretty much it just sits in the garage. And it's a Holden Commodore, as you can see there. That's the Holden badge. Up until a few years ago, they used to make cars here in Australia. And they don't make them here anymore. So it's basically a look inside. Turn the lights on. Okay, that's the dash there. Now this is it's first registered 2010. But it's a 2009.5 model, which means it was built in the second half of 2009, and but it was first registered 2010. That's when it first went out on the road. But that's, as you can see, hopefully it's not too dark, and that's basically what it looks like inside. So I'm in the garage now. Let me just open the door for you. There are the seats. I don't drive it that often, and the back seats, I don't know if you can see anything, it might be a bit too dark in there, but we're in the garage at the moment. And like I said, I've only turned the car over so I can keep the battery from going flat. And yeah, so it's, there you go, I've got the lights on now, but it's dual fuel, as I said before. It runs on gasoline, and it's actually confusing, isn't it? It runs on gasoline, which is petrol, and LPG as well. Now if I can get this, I'll turn it off for a minute. I can open up the boot. I'll give you a look at the gas tank, and that's literally gas. It's not there you go, I'll just take that down. There you go. That's the gas cylinder there. So that fills up with butane gas, or whatever the gas is. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's butane or whatever it is. Someone can let me know. And there's also a petrol tank underneath, which you probably won't be able to see. I can't get under there, but... so it runs on 2 types of fuel, and the car can do about 12 to 1300 kilometers on one fill, as in filling up both tanks. And yeah, that's it. That's a 2009.5 Holden Commodore. Well, 2010 first registered, but it's not a bad looking car. Holden stopped building cars a few years ago, and they imported a car called a Commodore, but it was really a Opel, a German-made Opel, and didn't actually sell well at all. And basically, since then, General Motors have ceased production. I think I've got the lights on. Yep. Oh, there you go, got one of, one of the driving lights on there, as you can see down the bottom. yeah, it's not a bad little car. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll go have a look inside again. Might be a little bit too dark, but that's what it looks like inside. But anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notifications, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.